Students, again welcome to SB Maths class. We are reading about the chapter lines and angles. Now we will discuss about the facts of the parallel lines. The parallel lines and the transversals. Today's topic is that one. The parallel lines and its transversal. Some angles will be made over there, and with those angles we'll do some sums. Okay, so let us start. Parallel lines, you know what is the parallel line. I am not saying now. Those are the parallel lines. If AB and CD are two parallel lines and this is PQ is a transversal of this parallel line, then you can see some angles has been made over there. Now, okay, I am giving the name of those two also. Those are E and F. Okay. So, the special names are there for those angles. Lots of angles are there. Lots of types of angles are there. Very interesting. Just find only by three lines how many types of angles are being made over there. So first one, if I want to give some numbers here, obviously otherwise I can't write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. More or less 8 angles are there. Now they are having some pairs. According to the names, the pairs will be changed. Very interesting fact. See, here the first name it is coming, that is the number 1, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? Corresponding angles means the angles, the measure of the angles are same. So what are the angles here? You can see the measure of the angles are same. Just see 1 and 2. AB and CD are parallel lines. So obviously the transversal is here PQ. So obviously the 1 and 2, those will be equal. So angle 1 equals to angle 2. Corresponding angles, I am saying again, the value of the corresponding, the measure of the corresponding angles will be same. So angle 1 equals to angle 2, same as angle 3 equals to angle 4. Just see, without measuring with the protractor, with the naked eye you can see that is the angles are same. Okay, so angle 3 equals to angle 4. Another one, those greens, angle 5 equals to angle 6 and angle 7 equals to angle 8. Those are the corresponding angles. Those angles, the value or the measure of those angles are same. Okay. Number 2, the name it is coming alternate interior angles. What are the alternate interior angles here? Before proceeding here, I want to say you the alternate interior, here the interior is there. Interior means here the interior portion of those two parallel lines. Those 5, 7, 2 and 4. Those are at the interior position of those two parallel lines, and 1, 3, 6 and 8, those are at the exterior position. So 5, 7, 2, 4, those are the interior angles, and 1, 3, 6 and 8, those are the exterior angles. So alternate interior, now alternate term is there. What is alternate interior angles? Actually alternate interior means alternative, at the term only, at the name only the alternative term is there. So just see, whenever two parallel lines are there and one transversal is there, then this angle is equals to this angle. You can measure with the protractor. This angle, that is angle 2, equals to angle 7, and another one, angle 4, equals to angle 5. Those are the alternate interior angles. Okay. Now, number 3. Number 3, it is coming consecutive angles. In your book, you will see the consecutive interior is being used here. I am not using I am only using consecutive angles. Here, another two names are there. That is the co-joined angles or consecutive angles, co-joined, allied angles. Three names are there. The same thing. Three names are there. So what are the consecutive? Now here, there only in your book you will see consecutive interior is given over there. But here consecutive exteriors are also there. What are the consecutive angles at first? Consecutive angles means the angles at one side of the transversal are called the consecutive angles. Here, just see angle 5 and angle 2. I am writing angle 5, angle 2 and angle 4, angle 7. Also, another two consecutive angles we are getting. Those are consecutive interior angles, pairs of consecutive interior angles. Intentionally, I have not given here equal to sign. Some reason are there. Another two consecutive angles we are getting. Angle 3, angle 8. Number 4, angle 1, angle 1 and angle 6. Those are also consecutive angles. Now, why the space is there? Why I have not written anything? Actually, angle 5 plus angle 2, those two angles make 180 degree. Those are the supplementary angles. Mind it, consecutive angles are supplementary angles. Those two are consecutive interior angles, you can say. Those two are consecutive interior angles and those two are consecutive exterior angles. But here this equals to 180 degree, this also equals to 180 degree, and here also those are 180 degree. Actually, in 90% cases, consecutive angles, we used to take the consecutive interior angles. That is, angle 5 plus angle 2, it is 180 degree, and angle 7 plus angle 4, it is 180 degree. Consecutive angles, only those angles, those are the supplementary angles. Don't write those are equal. Consecutive angles are always, the pair of consecutive angles are always the supplementary pairs. But here the corresponding angles and the alternate interior angles, those are equal. I think you have got it. Also, students, another type of angle we can find over here except of the corresponding alternate interior and the consecutive angles. What are those? Very interesting and very useful angles are those. One special name is there of those type of angles. I am saying you. I have given the same color angles, some same colors here. Those two blacks and those two blacks, and here those two green angles, those two green angles. Actually here you can see this type of figure, that is two lines are intersecting and four angles are being made over here. So the special name of those four angles are vertically opposite angles. That means this angle is equals to this angle is equals to this angle. Here also at this figure I have named those. If I give name 1, 2 and 3, 4, here 5, 6, 7 and 8, then angle 1 equals to angle 2, those are vertically opposite. You can write like that, angle 1 equals to vertically opposite angle 2, angle 3 equals to this angle 4, angle 5 equals to angle 7 and angle 6 equals to angle 8. Those are the vertically opposite angles. So just see, from only 3 lines, 2 parallel lines and 1 transversal, we are getting lots of pairs of the angles. The different kind of pairs and different kind of properties also are there. That is the corresponding angles, alternate interior angles and vertically opposite angles. Those are same, those pairs are same, but the consecutive angles, those are the supplementary pairs. Though the value of the sum of those two angles will be 180 degree. So I have told the properties of the parallel lines. Just mind it. If you again want to hear those properties, just rewind the video from first. You can see lots of properties I have told already. That is, the sum of the consecutive angles is 180 degree. The corresponding angles are equal. The vertically opposite angles are equal. The alternate interior angles are equal, like that. Okay. So we have discussed about the parallel lines and the angles are made there by the transversal.